What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm Xavier Spade, the best magician on YouTube, I'm gonna say. And today we're gonna be going over 3 double lifts that everybody should know, or at least if you want to be considered a pro magician, I think. So I'm gonna go over them. So you saw them before. They're the Vernon turnover, Vernon Pushoff, the Stuart Gordon double, and the stripe double. I think those 3 doubles will get you through pretty much anything. That's that. We're going to show you how to do them, and then we're going to teach you how to do them. Just like that. One other thing. So this is kind of off topic, but I feel like I've been getting kind of chunky lately, kind of chubsies.
That's a thick ass boy!
And I want to do something about it, and I know me, I have trouble getting motivated. So I stream pretty much every day, and I figured maybe you guys could help me out. So come join my streams on Twitch. The link will be in the description below. There's different ways for you to interact and to get me to do some workouts. So if you subscribe to me, I'll do 10 sit-ups on stream, and then there's other things that I'm going to be doing as well. But it's just something just to get me motivated to lose some of this fat. So with that, I'm going to thank you ahead of time for helping me get in shape. And let's just get into this right now. The top 3 double lifts to make you look like a badass. Also, guys, if you like my content, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, because we got a lot of good stuff coming, and I can't wait to get to it. So let's teach you these moves. Alright, so the first double lift I'm going to teach you is the stripe double. It's the easiest. You don't need a break to do it with. And we're going to be using my cards, the dead hands. And if you want to get yours, you can get yours at 𝗦𝗧𝗥𝗢𝗙. Again, the link will be in the description below. But the stripe double is basically counting cards with the side of your finger like this. So you're going to count 2 cards and then just turn them over. So what I'm really doing is I'm literally pulling up 2 cards like this. Then I just grab them, make sure my fingers don't move, slide them down, and turn them over. That's it. Now you don't need a break for this. You can have no break and just do this again. And just a few things to remember. You want to make sure the deck is beveled. So you don't want it towards your thumb. You want it towards the fingertips like this. This will allow you to count the cards at the side of your finger. Now that's pretty exaggerated. Really, when you get used to it, it's basically just that. You're just going to touch, get 2, and then turn them over. That's it. That's the stripe double. So let's get into the next one. I think the next step up is going to be the Vernon Pushoff. So the Vernon Pushoff is something I like to do a lot. You get a break on 2 cards, and you're going to basically lift up with your ring finger a little bit, and you're going to push down with your thumb and kick those cards out. Now what happens is these 2 fingers are going to move at the same time. The thumb and the ring finger are going to move out at the same time like this. And that's basically the Vernon Pushoff. So when you push off the 2, now you can just grab it and turn it over. And if you notice, I turned it over a little bit higher up. That gives me an area to push down and get a break again, so I don't have to do it again. But from here, you just push off, turn over, and then square. And that's it. And you don't have to do this very big. Like, you don't want it out here like this. Just like that is fine. Just here. All you need is a little bit. Just to push down, get a break, and turn over. This is something that's going to take a little bit more practice because you are now moving fingers while you're holding cards, especially with the dealing hand. So if you see I have my break, now I push off together. You see how the cards stay together? Just like that. And now from here, I grab with the index finger, middle finger, thumb pushes down on the other side, and now these fingers stay still. I don't move them. I just clamp down and I turn over. So do the push off, fingers come here, clamp down, and turn over. That's it. In time, you'll get used to it, and it'll become second nature, and these moves will just become smooth like butter. You won't even think about it. Remember, I'm trying to lose weight, so let's use the no-fat butter, because I'm trying to get rid of it. All right, the third double lift is something I also use a lot. It's the Stuart Gordon double. This also starts from a break. You can do the Vernon Pushoff if you'd like to get into it, but basically what's going to happen is you're going to flip the cards around. You're going to be flipping the cards. So I use it more as a display than a turnover, but I'll show you how to do it as a turnover. So you just get a break. If you want, you can do the Vernon Pushoff. You don't have to. I'm just going to do it from the break. You're going to lift up with the ring finger and the thumb, and you're going to rotate your wrist. towards the spectator or towards the camera or whatever you're doing. And this thumb is gonna roll around the backside like this, and your ring finger is gonna push up at the same time. So when you do this in motion, you go here, and that's the position you end off in. Ring finger at the bottom, and I'm just pushing it against this crease of my index finger. So I'm going here, boom. Now I just basically turn it back over and I'm done. You can put it down face up if you'd like and just do this. I think it feels a bit clunky, so I like to just show it and then turn it over. And then if I want, I could display it here. I could bring my hand up to display it this way, and then I bring it back down, and then I just go about my business and use whatever double turnover I want to do to clean up. So that's about it. Real simple, real fast. I just wanted to show you 3 double lifts that I think you should be practicing and or doing, and now you know how to do them. I believe I've done a video for the Stuart Gordon double, and if I have, you'll see a thing pop up here where you can learn more about it as well. Other than that, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. See me on Twitch. Help me lose some weight. I'm counting on you. Peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.